pag-usapan natin. Paano pag may nangyari sa atin? For example, like magkasakit, maaksidente, or worse, matsugi.
Oh, ano naman?
Kasi I saw something from the net. Like for only 3,000 pesos per month, covered na yung medical needs, meron pang personal accidents, and meron pang life insurance.
3,000 per month? Parang mahal naman nun.
Anong mahal? Ikaw lang mahal ko eh. Hindi, try to divide 3,000 kung ilang araw sa isang buwan.
100.
O, diba? For only 100 pesos per day, covered ka na. Or ako. At ito pa maganda. Covered tayo until age 100. Since PAA Plus is a flexible plan from ProLife UK.
100 per day? Maganda yan ah. At covered na till age 100.
Yes, love, di ba? Ang ganda. At kagandahan pa dyan, hindi lang siya basta insurance. May investment pa. So, secured na ang life mo, secured pa ang future mo. So, what are you waiting for? Let's talk about it and how we're going to give you a peace of mind.